Now we'll learn to create a banners. Banners are nothing but this vertically how it will be look like. This is nothing but a banner. Okay, this is nothing but a banner. How to create a banner for your any banners will be used in a Facebook or in a LinkedIn or in a web page. Everywhere it will be useful. So to get a background, we'll use that one. How to create a banner? We have to go to here, create design. Just type banner. Okay, just type the banner. It will give you the option like would you like to create for a LinkedIn. Okay, the size it will be automatically, it will be determined for the different social media pages. Okay, for a LinkedIn it will be like a 1400 to 425. For example, if I say FB banner, okay, FB cover page, it will be 2050 to 780. Okay, for a big cover. So we will be select that particular thing. We'll create here. For example, a big cover, Facebook cover page. Okay, it will be lengthwise will be higher and height wise it will be small. Okay, once you have been selected that particular size. Okay, now you can use a template. We have been discussed about a different templates are available. You can use any type of the template based on your business area. Okay, you can use any type of the template based on your business area. If you are in a food business, you can use this one. Okay, if you are in a different for a different application, you can use a different template. For education, you can use this one. Okay, you can use any of the templates based on your requirement. For example, the simple template will take this one. We have been selected the template. Okay, it's already applied, everything it is there here. Only thing here we have to change, that is nothing but a name. Here it is already grouped. For example, here you would like to give some slogan. Okay, what we have been given here, like online learning, schedule your own time. Like this you can change the, here we can give as a brand name. Okay, then here we'll say like this we can. Okay, then here we can select some of the thing. Like this you can say. And you would like to give anything else, you can write it. Like this you can give the all the products which you have been working on, you can give it here. For example, if you like to change this size, you can increase or decrease this size. Okay, like this you can increase or decrease the size like this. Okay, you can place wherever this animation. If you like don't want animation, you can delete directly by using a delete like this. Control Z for come back. You can change this one. Okay, anytime you can delete or you can change the color of that as your brand. The brand color you can change. Okay, then background color you can change. Select this background like this, selected. You can change the background color also. Okay, like this you can change the background color also. Okay, like this you can change to any color. If you like to copy this particular thing, you can copy, duplicate entire thing, you can duplicate. Again, if you like to add blank page, you can add a blank page and you can start creating your own banner by using a text here. Directly you can use a text. Okay, like this you can use a text. Okay, then move it here, move option you can use to move the text. To rotate, you can use this one to rotate the text. Okay, like this you can create your own also by using some of the photos, like go to photo and you can select one particular image. Okay, and you can place where you like that particular image, click and drag to place. Okay, you can select and drag to increase the font. Like this you can increase. Okay, like this you can create your own banner by using a photo, by using a elements. Okay, in elements you will be getting a different shapes. Okay, frames are nothing but within that particular shape your photo will be fitted. Okay, frames are nothing but, for example, here you have been selected a frame, you are keeping here, resize. Okay, if any photo you have been selected, okay, if you drag into that particular frame, it will be set within that particular frame. Okay, that is the use of the frame. Okay, similarly we have a different and this one also related now the trending images. Okay, and symbols, you have a shapes. Okay, you can use anything here to make it your banner much more attractive. Okay, and you can use any videos also. For example, background video, if you like to have some of the background video, you select this particular thing as a background video, selected. Okay, now you would like to make it as a background. How to make it as a background? Right click, replace background, right click on that video and replace as a background, so that the entire video will be taken into a background. Okay, entire video has been taken into a background. If you check preview, come down here, full screen, you can see how your banner will be look like. Okay, escape button to take out of the preview. Okay, like this we can create your own banner also, or you can use a templates. Again, you would like to increase this size, in the sense the zoom, you can use this particular section to zoom preview. Okay, these are the two ways. For everything it will be same. Okay, this basic structure is same. For download, here you can download from this. Okay, and you can, for animation, if you like to change the animation, you can use this one. And you can crop the number of seconds, you can change by using a crop option. Okay, so this is the way we can use the videos, images, frames, text to create your own banner. As well as you can use the any templates available here, which template it suits you. Select that particular template and just edit the, double click and edit the content within that particular template. Okay, these are the two way we can create a banner for your business.